just about to ride the e-bike to my 100th park run. You'll have to guess what I'm going to wear. You don't have to wear anything special, but because I'm crazy, I will. So you'll have to wait till I get there to see what I'll put on. So I've got my crazy hairstyle. Hopefully it makes me run faster.
Going 3, 2, 1. First time over Denison Bridge. Thanks for helping, Liz. The leaves are starting to fall. It's autumn now. Just past the halfway mark. Another 2.5 k's to go. Thanks. Go Steve. Second and last time over Denison Bridge. Almost there. I was just riding back and there's a nice happy Easter bunny in the field there. So I'm really pleased with that. I've finally done 100 park runs. It's a great achievement. So park run's a weekly Saturday community 5-kilometre walk, jog or run. It's a free event and it's just about getting fitness and people out into the community. So it's a great initiative. It's a worldwide phenomenon. So when you've done 10 runs as a junior, you can get a t-shirt. When you've done 50 runs as an adult, you can get a t-shirt, a red one like this one. And then when you've done 100, you can get the black t-shirt. So be ordering that as soon as they send my email that I can order it. And then the next milestone is 250 runs. I'll see if I can get there. So hope you enjoyed coming along on this journey. Good luck to other people watching on parkrun and keep those milestones coming. Thanks for watching. See you later.
I'm just about to e-bike to my number 100th and take 2 action. I'm just going to e-bike to my 100th park run. I can't wait. I'll have to guess what I'm getting and take 2